I'm going to show you how to make super tender beef.
Ever wonder why the beef at Chinese restaurants is so melt in your mouth soft? Here's the full technique, step by step. Start with 1 pound of beef. It doesn't have to be an expensive cut. Top round works great here. First, find the grain of the meat, then slice against the grain. That shortens the muscle fibers, which makes the beef way more tender when you eat it. Cut slices about 1/4 inch thick. If they're too thin, they'll fall apart, because you're going to work this meat pretty good. Put everything in a large bowl. You'll need about 1/3 of a cup of cold water. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with a little bit of that water. Don't put too much baking soda, or the texture will get mushy. Now season the beef with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, the baking soda mixture, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Knead everything together until all the liquid is absorbed. This is the key for a good marinade. Use cold water to keep the meat cold. Once it's all absorbed, the beef gets slightly sticky. That's exactly what we want. Add the rest of the water in 4 batches. Each time, knead until the meat has soaked up every drop. The muscle fibers absorb the water, little by little. Once all the water is absorbed, add 1 egg white. Knead again until there is no visible egg white left. It should be fully incorporated into the meat. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it in well. The egg white and cornstarch act as a protective coating during high heat cooking. They form a thin, invisible layer that locks in moisture and gives the beef that silky tender texture. Let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. While that's resting, let's prep the vegetables. Cut 1 onion into chunks, then 1/4 of a bell pepper. Cut 3 scallions into pieces. The white parts go with the onion. Grate a piece of ginger until you have about 1 tablespoon. Then mince 5 garlic cloves. Garlic and ginger are the essential aromatics in Chinese stir-fry. For the seasoning sauce, combine 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/3 of a cup of water. Give it a good stir. This sauce is going to coat the pieces of beef. The beef has been resting for 30 minutes. No liquid has pooled at the bottom. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and mix it in. This helps the pieces separate from each other while they cook. Now heat your pan on high for about 3 minutes. The heat needs to be really high and the pan really hot. That's what lets you sear the beef fast, keeping it juicy and tender without steaming it. When the pan is screaming hot, add 4 tablespoons of oil. After a few seconds, the oil is hot. Add the marinated beef. Spread the pieces out in a single layer. Let them sear for 30 seconds without touching them. Some restaurants actually deep fry the marinated beef instead of stir-frying it. Flip the pieces. With this technique, the meat holds onto all its juices. Let this side sear for another 30 seconds. During those 30 seconds, add 1/2 the grated ginger and 1/2 the minced garlic. After the 30 seconds, pour along the edge of the pan 1/2 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1/2 tablespoon of Shaoxing rice wine. Stir for 30 seconds. The alcohol evaporates almost instantly, leaving behind an amazing aroma, and the soy sauce slightly caramelizes. The pieces come apart easily thanks to the oil you added to the marinade. Now set the beef aside. In the same pan, still on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When it's hot, add the other 1/2 of the grated ginger. Give it a quick stir, then add the rest of the minced garlic. Stir again. After about 15 seconds, when it smells incredible, add the onion, the white parts of the scallions, and the bell pepper. Stir fry for about 1 minute. Feel free to swap the bell pepper for bok choy, napa cabbage, spinach, mushrooms or carrots. Just adjust the cooking time depending on what you use. Give the seasoning sauce a quick stir before adding it. Turn the heat down to low and stir for about 20 seconds. The sauce thickens up, then in goes the beef. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Back to high heat and stir for another 20 seconds. Toss in the green parts of the scallions, give it a quick stir, and turn off the heat. And that's it! You have a restaurant-style tender beef made at home. Eat it while it's hot. It's always great, served with rice and some vegetables. Bon appétit! The beef is incredibly tender and easy to chew. It's not dry at all. It's juicy and full of flavor. The sauce comes from the seasoning sauce, not from any moisture leaking out of the meat. This simple Chinese marinade technique is what really makes a difference.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my head. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right.
Here are the key steps to get it right every time. Slice against the grain. Marinate the beef with the sauces and water. Knead thoroughly so the fibers absorb the liquid gradually. Add egg white and cornstarch to the marinade. Rest for 30 minutes before cooking. Take the time to preheat your pan on high heat. Stir fry the beef fast on high heat. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Morgan Recipes for more home cooking videos.